What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to make a short little unboxing video of this hairbrush that I just ordered. I've always used a comb, but just the other day I had my hair down to here and got it cut up here, and I've always used a comb, and it's pretty fine-toothed, and sometimes it's just a little too harsh on my hair, so I thought it would be good to get a brush, and I know that brushes are good triggers for a lot of people, so I thought I'd unbox this nice tingly plastic and open that box and then rub the brush a little bit and brush my own hair because I just got out of the shower. Without further ado, let's get into it. Amazon Prime. Okay, well, I'll use the scissors. Oh, there's a perforation. I'm not sure if you're able to see the logo on there. I think it says Kosis. Got my knife. Alright. Open it up here. Oh. It's that one. I apologize if any of this is too loud. That little part. Here we have it. Seems like it's pretty good quality. It's got a little air hole to let air out. And when I went and got my hair cut, the hairdresser was using a brush like this, and I've never used one. It felt like a scalp massage. It was insane. 'Cause I do like combing my hair, but you know, sometimes, especially right after I shower or something, there's just lots of knots and such. But yeah, Kosis. Let's see how it does with the hair. feels really nice. I had a few pieces of hair come out. That's just normal. I just brushed it back really nicely. Cool. I'm excited to use this over the comb that I usually use, as I was just saying. But anyways, that's it for this one. It was just intended to be a short little video. I hope it was relaxing. You know, as always, like, subscribe if you're not, and leave some feedback. You know, if you liked something, if you disliked something, let me know. And I'll catch you guys for the next one.